Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Deliveroo vehicle type from bicycle to scooter. First, open the Deliveroo Rider app or go to the Rider website. Tap the menu button and head over to the support section. In the search box, type change vehicle and select the option How can I change my vehicle type? On that page, look for the link titled Vehicle Change Request and tap it. Fill out the form with your details and upload the required documents, like food delivery insurance, a CBT or full driving license, proof of scooter ownership, like registration documents. Submit the form and wait for approval. This can take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, your vehicle type will be updated automatically in the app. Now you're all set to start making deliveries on your scooter. This could help you cover more ground, deliver faster, and even boost your earnings. And that's it. That's how to change Deliveroo vehicle type from bicycle to scooter. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.